I start this video, I would like to clarify that I am not against women's. I am only against the discrimination, the gender discrimination which is happening with the male candidates for cabin crew and flight attendant profile, and it's going on since many years. So I am here to raise voice and I am here to just acknowledge that problem which no one is doing that.
Audio Jungle.
Boys and girls, please subscribe the channel and also watch the video till end to know the situation here, what I am talking about. And if you like the video, then please like it. If you don't like it, dislike it. And if you don't agree with me, please comment your thoughts. I will be looking forward for it. So let's begin. It is a common observation that most flight attendants are women. In fact, women candidates are preferred more than male candidates for this job. And also, some airlines follow this tradition of never hiring a male cabin crew. But this practice is unjustifiable to those men who are craving to get a flight attendant or a cabin crew job. And it is very unfair for the people who are working 24 into 7 round the clock for this job. So I am here to discuss the same thing, but again I would like to mention that I'm not here against anyone. It is the airlines who are following the same practice since many years. On the other hand, if we talk about other airline services like ramp and ground staff, then you're going to find more male employees than a female employee. This is because these duties requires quite a lot exhausting physical work and effort, which is assumed to be done better by the more satisfactorily by men. In comparison to the ground jobs, cabin crew job is considered to be more glamorous, and it is believed that women can uphold this profile glamorously because they have better charm and better elegance and they can do it better, and men are considered to be less charming. If we talk about the numbers, guys, then out of 20 cabin crew there are only 3 male cabin crew in India, and if we talk about internationally, then out of 10 cabin crew only 4 cabin crew are male. So internationally the situation, the gender discrimination is not that which is in India right now. Indian airlines are doing more and more discrimination with the male candidates for the cabin crew job as compared to the international companies. So today I have top 5 reasons leading to this unfair practice. It is believed that people tend to listen to women more than men. So this is useful for getting people to follow necessary instructions and safety guidelines. It is also believed that women can handle reluctant passengers very well because they are good listeners, so they can be trained easily for the same purpose. It is also believed that women are more intriguing and tend to captivate passengers because they are capable of more affectionate goodbyes and welcomes. Females are more generous and appealing in compared to a men, which are the main attributes required for a cabin crew. They tend to ensure the better customer satisfaction. Last but not the least, it is a common fact that the weight of women is less than as compared to a men because the BMI criteria is different for male and female. So this is also a big reason, because if the weight of a woman is less, so it will save more ATF, which is air turbine fuel. So these are the main reasons behind the preference of female candidate over a male candidate for the cabin crew job. But this practice has to be discontinued because it is doing a lot of gender discrimination with the male candidates, and it is not good for the industry because there are so many male cabin crew aspirants who are waiting for their turn, but the interviews never come, or if they even come, then they hire very less number of male candidates. And there are so many big airlines in India who are having the biggest market share but not hiring even a single male. So I would request them to please start hiring the male candidates so they also get an opportunity to become a cabin crew, and this gender discrimination ends. And in my opinion, it has to be 50-50. I mean, it has to be 50-50. I think a mixed cabin crew would help in to maintain the better discipline on board, and it also gives the opportunity to both the genders to showcase their talent. If you agree with me, please hit the like button and please comment करके बताओ मेरे को. Please do comment and let me know whether I am right or wrong. In the end, I would like to say that I do believe that women are capable of doing anything in this world, but I am here only talking about the gender discrimination, which not women are doing, but the airlines are doing, the policy makers are doing. So I would encourage them, I would request them that please stop this gender discrimination for the male candidates for the cabin crew job, and please give us the right and equal opportunity, which is for a good future. Jai Hind.